As basic equipment for baking, I will recommend few items. The reusable baking paper, which can be trimmed to the size of your tray and reused for up to 100 times. The better you look after, the longer they will keep for. Then I will also suggest to have some parchment paper, just in case that you've got more layers to bake in one go. Then you can just trim the paper to the size of the baking tray. Then obviously that's not going to be reusable. Baking trays, I will go for them instead of baking tins, as they can help you to get a much even and quicker type of baking, especially if the baking trays are perforated. The baking racks, which will help you to store the bakings and get a much quicker cooling. Then a spatula, which will also help you to level the mixture into your baking trays.